Alright, so with me I clean up liver. Sometimes see, this is not a nice piece of liver. Come if I go through and peel out all of that. Alright. Not too bad. So we just are going now and look. And check it out, right? You see this thin white layer on the liver. Most people call it the membrane. You have to get rid of it. If not, you know, when you chew the meat, that'll come like a bubble gum. So anyway, see that you have to remove it. Most of the time it's on the outer part of the liver, but that one you don't really have none. I'm going and cut up the liver now. Move them to the side. A little bit too thick. Alright, so then now we just cut these in two, like this. And just add them to a basin. Alright, so after you don't cut it up to the size where you like, we're going to add milk to it. So you just want the milk to cover it. And then we'll go in with lime juice. And that's how I cut the rawness from the liver. Alright, so just have to let this sit for about 15 to 30 minutes and then we'll come back. Alright, so we're going to strain off the milk. Alright, then I use some room temperature water and just run it over it. Alright, let this drain and then we'll come back and season it. And in the meantime, I just dice up some vegetable. See, and then we have some red. Right, we have a piece of pepper. Right, so this is what we have so far. Right, to that we're gonna add some thyme leaf. Alright, we're seasoning up the meat now. We add a little that along with a little of fish and meat season. It's a season I want to go with a sauce, a little of the fish and meat sauce, and then we are going with some hot mango sauce. Right, then we have some Maggi chicken seasoning. I'm gonna go in with a small spoon of that. I'm going to add some Audiio all-purpose seasoning. This is from Gaia, and this is salty, so you have to be careful. Also going in with some complete seasoning. We're gonna need with paprika because we're gonna need a little color to this. I think we now cook it out our garlic and our pimento seed. So I'm gonna crush that. Right. So we're going with the onion and bell pepper and thyme leaf. So now we're just going and combine this. So I'll combine that properly. Okay. Now let's go in, cover this, and let that marinate. Right, once the oil hot, we're gonna add before we serve it. Now going over. I'm going with some red pepper flakes. Okay. Yeah, I know this is not good. Nobody can tell me if it this last one is right spoon, right utensil. This color not that nice, but you can go in and add brownie and you can leave it. So let this cook down now before we decide that. Put 1 spoonful of it in. I add a little cornstarch just to thicken the gravy. Put it in anything. Another one. That look long, man. Come. Put it. And have a continuous stir it. Put on now. Taste. I'll put it in here. Or you add ketchup to the go. This about it. Like we said, if you don't want it to have a darker brown color, add a little brown. This works for me. And this is enough really for me. Also, hold it up really. Right, this is it, and thanks for watching. Bye.